HCM U165. This is possibly soon to be a squad company, but right now it's a Hastech engine. Hazardous Materials Technical Unit engine, and that's their main rig, 165. It's their main truck. There it is. 165.